This is the first week or weekend of summer holiday. Normally, I roughly know how much to make, but today I don't. If I make a normal amount, everyone is away on holiday, and then the product will be sitting on the table. No one buys it, so I gotta be precise. So I just finished baking and I'm about to go to my pop-up, and most of my customers come during school term, so I'm not sure how many will turn out, and I have quite a bit of quantity. So yeah, that's one great thing about, one sort of problem with that location. You rely most of it on school term, the customer dropping the kiddos to school. So on summer holiday, especially this month from now, whole August will be a month of uncertainty. But you gotta show up to find out how it turns out. Of course.
Yeah, they're for us. They're not for you, Mr. Bear.
You'd like a sausage roll? I have no doubt.
That's great.
60 please. Very much.
Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much.
Good morning. Good, how are you?
Get a salad.
Sure.
What's this?
Coconuts and brioche.
They what?
Coconut, pounded eggs, coconuts and brioche.
Okay. No, is that cinnamon?
Cinnamon,
Well,
yeah.
I'll have two then.
Sure, cinnamon, sure.
Something.
Good, yeah, I'm good, thank you. Yeah. Thank you, thank you very much, yeah. Good morning.
Hola amigo, ¿cómo está?
Muito bom, e como estás?
Amigo, este es de cerdo.
Es de porco, de un porco.
Porque este, uno.
Mhm.
Bote de...
Gracias.
Thank you.
Good morning. Oh, the wasps are now here. Morning, morning, morning.
Morning, morning. Can I get 2 sausage rolls, please?
Sure.
Wasps are back, aren't they?
Yes, I see.
No. Right, can I get sourdough as well, please?
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll take 1 coconut, 1 almond.
Sure.
Be good on your holidays.
Amazing.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you too. Morning.
Can I just get a chocolate croissant, please?
Sure.
One, that would be lovely. I mean, I want everything, but I'm just restraining myself to place one of the sausage rolls.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you. Chocolate.
I don't know, why am I not buying yours? What do you want? No, because I don't know what you want.
Thank you. Morning.
Hiya. Please can I have 4 chocolate croissants
Sure.
and an almond?
Of course.
Susie, yeah. I'm so jealous. I really want a sausage roll. I know. Do you want a sausage roll? Can I have 3 sausage rolls? Could one of them be in the same bag?
Sure.
I don't need it though, because I'm going out. You can leave it at home on 6 times. For you? I'll pay you. These guys are going to be like, yeah, I love to talk. Let me know. Have a lovely day.
Yeah.
Love to I'm going to have a... Oh, it's okay. You're okay? And what are the loaves? Are they all the same? Are they all
I got seeded sourdough, plain sourdough.
Oh, plain sourdough, actually. Thank you.
Sure.
Okay. We love you. Say bye.
No, bye, Amelia.
Talk to you soon. Have a great day. Are you looking at a treat?
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Morning.
We're going to go into the pub.
Good morning.
Right, can I just have 1 sourdough, please?
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. It'll be
Oh,
5.
would you rather tap?
Probably easy change.
Yeah, yeah.
It's okay?
To tap.
Yes,
yeah.
please.
Yeah, that's fine.
Be 5, please.
Just ordinary plain rolls.
Yeah, so brioche rolls.
Yeah, okay. I would have used those for. I prefer my beef burgers to be in the ordinary bread.
Ah, not brioche.
And 2 of the sausage rolls.
2
please.
sausage rolls, sure. I think I understand why you would want on plain, because the meat doesn't compete with like little sweet.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah.
And not only that, it gets soggy quicker. So you find.
Yeah.
But I mean, loads of people just love the brioche anyway.
Is everything?
And what are these?
Just pounded there, so coconuts and brioche.
They are on a brioche.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll try one of those because I
Sure.
like coconut. Brilliant. Are you going away?
No. I mean, I've been away so much this year, so I think it's fair enough to stay work.
Okay.
Coconut.
It's all right. You don't have to save your bag.
Sure.
Absolutely fine. Yeah. That's brilliant.
Thank you.
Yes.
1 sausage roll?
Please.
Sure.
Should we get some bread? What's that one?
It's coconuts and brioche.
Yeah, we'll take one of those.
Sure.
A long walk. And a sourdough.
A sourdough, sure.
You're not filming now, are you?
Yeah, I think I am. I think I am.
Can I ask you a favour?
Yes.
Can I ask you to do a message for, it's my sister's mother-in-law, she's going to be 80 or 85, and I didn't realise that she follows you on YouTube.
You actually do it now, so you can send a message yourself.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yvonne,
And
happy 80th birthday.
happy 80th birthday, Yvonne.
Have a lovely day.
Please want it from you.
From the man yourself. If you mind telling hello to her.
I will do. I mean, I can actually do this actually. Because now I wouldn't see myself, but now I can. How old is he?
80.
80. Right, what's her name?
Yvonne.
Yvonne, happy birthday, Yvonne. Hope you have a great day, and hope one day you can come to Seven and try some goods.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We didn't know that she
Done.
followed you. It was only Grant was here buying, and she was
So
watching
recognise
you
him.
one time, and then we
You saw us.
said, "Oh, what's Grant doing?" And then my sister said, "Oh, it's because they live there."
Ah,
Follow him.
that's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, there was someone else there who was recognised by her family from, I don't know, from Wales or something. Is it? So they were talking, and then they said something. She said, "So what? Where did you hear that?" It's crazy. It's crazy though. No, you can't. Yeah.
I have
Yes.
paid,
Yeah, you did.
I'm
Thank
gonna-
you very much.
Do you mind me taking a picture? I'll send it to us.
No, it's fine.
She was quite taken with it.
Oh my God.
There you go.
Thanks,
Thank you.
Grant.
No, thank you.
Have a
Have a good.
good
Thank you too.
You too. Take
Bye
care.
bye. How are you, sir?
Good, thank you.
Good.
Please could I get 4 brownies,
Sure.
4 cinnamon buns. Thank you.
Sure.
Thank you.
Done. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, good.
Did
How
you
was
pre-order?
Belgium?
That was good. Was good. Thank
Yeah?
you. Yeah, it was
Lots
nice.
of IDs?
Well, lots of dancing and eating a little bit. Yeah, it was festival,
good.
most festival. Yeah, but it was nice seeing other people do YouTube and some bakery. I tried one bakery. I had one day. I did go for a bakery. That was nice.
Yeah.
I had too much food, so I didn't have too many things. But it was nice experience. Yeah.
Good. Good. Can I have 3 almonds?
I didn't pre-order.
No, I didn't order.
Okay, that's fine.
I wasn't sure if I was going to
To make it.
make it.
Just a 3 or 2.
3, yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, lovely.
Thank you. Thank you. Good morning. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm ordering those.
Sure,
please.
sure.
How are you? Did you have
I'm
a
good.
nice
Yeah.
festival?
Yeah, it was good. Yeah, it was good. Good fun.
You didn't come down last Friday,
No, I wasn't last
No,
Friday.
okay.
Yes, I was still there.
didn't you?
Two on one.
I wanted your chocolate
And
brownies
chocolate,
and a
sure.
sourdough.
And sourdough, sure.
The kids enjoying the holidays.
Yes.
Homeschooled.
Yeah, so. But yeah, they're enjoying the summer.
Got any more plans?
Not this year, not yet. Not yet. No, I don't think. No. Apart from the bakery is gonna move. I'm gonna move the bakery to near where I live.
Okay, yeah.
But apart from that, no. 2 almond, 1 brown, and sourdough.
Driving everywhere to find
B17.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Lovely.
Thank you very much. Thank
Take
you.
care.
Good to see you. Hello, sir.
Can you take a white loaf if you've got one?
Yes, I do.
That's really kind, thank you. We're going to take 5 brownies,
Sure.
please, and then 2 cans of chocolate.
Chocolate. Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. You can. Thank you. Bom dia. Pronto, bom. E aí?
Queria mais umas coisinhas, por favor.
Claro. São two-sided and plain. Esse yes.
Chocolate brownie,
Chocolate brown.
Para o chocolate, podes pôr no mesmo saco.
Não fala, obrigado. Olá.
E o almond croissant.
Vamos passar. Brioche bun. And this. So yeah, the verdict is it was still good pop-up. It's still good, good sales. Not sell out because I'm going to Nazareth from here. But bread-wise, I only have 1, 2, 3 breads. Yeah, it's pretty good, and I still have lots of pre-orders from Nice to Nices. So yeah, I wasn't sure about here how it would perform, but it was very good. A little bit more than a half that I would do usually if it was school. If it was school, probably would sell out these. I wouldn't have enough. So it was good to have some left to take to Nices. Yeah, the first week was good. Let's see next week how it's going to be. Hopefully it's going to be good. August is always like quiet month because summer holiday. But yeah, it was good. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you soon. Peace.